is officially time. Alright, this is the intro for sure. I haven't posted nothing on the truck. I just been on Instagram posting things like that. So if you want to follow me, go ahead. I'll post my Instagram things and things like that. But here's the front axle. You guys will see the process or what I've done so far in the clips are going to be in this video of it. But you know, that's what I've done so far. I cut the exhaust off. Just listen to it. Sounds good. But let's get back to the video. Alright. We got it. It's the f350 TTB axle. Everybody said, damn, look at a spider. Just killed the spider, see that? It's gross. Okay, whatever. Yeah, everybody said, it's easier just to go ahead and go with straight axle. And, you know, I didn't want straight axle. The reasons why is because I have better ride. It's a lot smoother with one of these. And I want to go ahead and try to keep keep it with coils, you know. That's basically the game plan. I know my steering bracket and everything. And back here, you guys can see. You see that? There's my bar. And it's to the rear, not in the front like all these. So obviously I'm changing the power steering pump on this. I gotta go ahead and figure out this whole brake situation. If I'm not sure will these fit that, and if it does, that'd be cool. But I also gotta see, which I don't think is because I gotta find dolly hubs for the 4x4. I'll figure all that out, you know. I don't mind just running regular tires for a little bit. I'm not too worried about that. But yeah, so basically, I gotta go ahead and clean up the axle. I gotta go ahead and clean up the axle. And yeah, so basically everything seems good. Pretty sure it's empty in there, so I gotta go ahead and open it up and do all that good stuff and clean it up well. But the plan is I'm not sure if I'm gonna go on top and then weld the nut up on top here and on bottom and have it both one on top, one in bottom, you know, lined up. And then that way I could go ahead and have it well reinforced and then basically put one of these type of lock nut pins, whatever you want to call them, right here for the same type of way. It would be down here. So I'm gonna just mimic that basically and do the same thing right here. Make my own. So we'll see how it goes. I may get a little bit of help from a friend that does actually weld, but I'm not sure yet. I'm pretty sure I can still knock it out myself. I'm not too worried about it. This is just the beginning of it. Just a quick little walk around of it just to see. Okay, so currently just removing all of these right now. And that's all my those two look like bigger sockets and things like that. If anyone wants to know what I use, Milwaukee is nice, but this Cobalt costs like $170. Probably now cheaper too, now that they released the newer one. But I mean, that's everything I need, so can't complain on it. I already busted them all off, but that's that. So you guys can see, got the X. I'm gonna pop off this tire right now. Okay, so that's that. Got one side out. You guys can see what I'm leaving hanging. Track bar still in place. Steering still connected because that side's still intact. Sitting right there on wood. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead, put this in there, kind of look at it, kind of what I put it right there in place where the spring was at. Then go to the other side, put it on blocks, and then start working on the actual thing. You know, I just gotta mock up everything first before I can even start drilling and making holes and things like that. So, one side tore down. It took me about, 45 minutes. Okay. You guys can see what I'm doing.
Sockets now. Now the main on the place to hang, just like you see.
Alright, well, you guys see what I've done, basically. That's basically it. I just gotta go ahead and pry this one up, which is being a pain in the butt. Alright, I wish I got this on video, but obviously, you know, we all know how to heat up things, and got the torch. I had to heat this one up because I put some PB blast, wasn't coming off. I banged on it for a while, and finally, after banging on it, not banging on it, but I mean heating it up, it went ahead and busted loose. So yeah, I already also dropped it down from over there. So that's basically it, you guys. The front is basically fully unbolted. Yeah, I haven't really driven the truck, I haven't really done much. I'm just trying to go ahead and kind of get this beginning part of the 4x4 done. Once I get this done, like I say, the transmission and the transfer case and driveline shouldn't be too hard in doing the rest of that. I think this is probably the most hardest part. I think so. Because I'm not well at fabricating or anything like that, and I'm just pretty sure using with a cross member does more back, and you know, that's simple things for the transmission and the transfer case, which I've seen in other videos of people that do. It's just I haven't seen nobody ever try to put in a TTB axle into a dent side truck, and not just that, everybody always wants to go with the straight axle, and they swear by it that it's the best thing ever. I don't like the way it rides. That's just not, you know, for me. I've always liked the coil suspensions up front and everything like that, and I like the springs in the rear. That's just me, in my opinion. You know, everybody has their own opinions and what they prefer a lot. You know, what they prefer, things like that. But yeah, you know, this could possibly be the first dent side with the TTB axle. You know, it'd be pretty cool out there. You know, it'd be something special. So yeah, so let's continue. Yeah, I have a mess. This piece right there. Oh, my truck keys are right there. I have this right here. But you guys, we are getting somewhere. You know, everybody likes the straight axle, not me. So what I like. It may be a lot more work to deal with, like what's it called? Your tires and the wear and all that stuff, and making sure they're straight and the alignment's all good. But I don't really worry about that. I want what I want, and you know, I'm liking it so far. I like the way it's looking. I gave it a quick wire brush to that one, as you guys can see. Much. See that? That one's clean because I gave it the wheel really quick. Alright, so this is the bracket from this side. This one right there. This was to the old arms. They went like this. That to the frame. Still gotta go ahead and remove those two on that side. You guys will see right now. This one came out almost whole. I was gonna go ahead and just chop it off so I had more room to work with, but I was able to manage to pull them out. But you guys can see how they get. Not reusing them, nothing like that, so I don't really care for it. This was the arm that I was practicing with. They're not the best welds, but it was just to see, you know, just to mock up and an idea of what I was gonna be doing, because these are not the ones I'm using. But yeah, and I will be getting the pivot brackets possibly this weekend. Hopefully this video's out for this weekend, so by the time this video's out, I should have the pivot brackets and hopefully installed. Currently also picking up pressure on here. The weather's pretty crappy. Still working up top. Been busy with a bunch of work. Yeah, so now this bracket, since I didn't have much room to work with, and the axle, I don't want to move it out the way because it's a pain to move it in and out, and I'm just trying to mock this stuff up, and it's heavy, just me alone, you know. Yeah, so I chopped this bracket up. I didn't really care. Oh, you guys are gonna want to see this. Look at that. You see that? It needed some new shocks. Then again, that's why this side was its bushing, and look how it looks, you know. Right there. It was all beat, and that's why I'm not reusing these ones, because it's chewed up on the bottom part of this, because it was sitting right here on the metal. So that's why I'm not using it. You know, I could use them and adapt them straight to this and make it work with that, but I'm not. You guys can see that's the old bracket all up into pieces. That's that. So I have these brakes hanging right here, so that I don't lose my rear brake pressure or anything like that. I'm still sitting on blocks. Gotta grind down all these things. And that's the last one I'm removing right here. There's these last two. And it's pretty annoying when you don't got all the room that you want to have. Because I don't want to pull up this axle right now. So, yeah. We're going to struggle a little bit. That's why I took that one out in pieces. But, so it's starting to rain. It picks up and it stops and I get wet, a little wet and things. It gets annoying, but I'm just gonna knock those last two up and call it good. Have this video out by the weekend, and also we'll be getting my pivot brackets by the weekend and making a new video. I will be pressure washing all of this out as well. Like you can see all this. I gotta pressure wash all this. It's gone. Yeah. That's it for right now. Hope you guys enjoy. Please go ahead, smash the like button, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want. But thank you again. I appreciate the people who watch and take the time out their day.